Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X3M Competition versus the Hellcat. We'll start by looking at their raw power. The X3M Competition boasts a robust inline-six engine, delivering impressive horsepower. Meanwhile, the Hellcat models are legendary for their supercharged V8, providing immense power. Both vehicles promise an incredibly thrilling driving experience, pushing the limits of performance. Next, let's explore how these beasts handle on the road. The BMW X3M Competition is engineered for agility, offering precise steering and a firm, athletic ride that inspires confidence. In contrast, Hellcat models are designed with a focus on raw power and a classic muscle car feel. BMW's advanced all-wheel drive system provides superior traction and stability, especially when cornering. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this full comparison helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give the video a like. And on another note, if you're looking to make your meal prep easy, check out these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Moving inside, we compare the cabins and practicality. The X3M Competition offers a premium, technology-rich interior with high-quality materials and advanced features. Hellcat models typically feature a more performance-oriented, traditional interior design. For daily usability, the BMW X3M Competition generally provides more cargo capacity and greater versatility, making it a practical choice for families. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect and overall value. The BMW X3M Competition generally comes with a higher initial purchase price. However, Hellcat models often provide an incredible amount of horsepower for your money, offering significant bang for your buck. When making your decision, remember to factor in ongoing costs like insurance premiums, fuel efficiency, and routine maintenance for both vehicles.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.